Good morning, dear students. I am giving answer the following from chapter 9 and the remaining answers I will give today from lesson 9. I will give from answer 6th. Question 6 is a motor car moves, takes in oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide and consume fuel, but it is not a living creature. In what ways does it qualifying as a living organism? A car is man-made object. Car is man-made object, not organic. Not organic. It is not made by. It is not made by other of its own kind. Made by other of its own kind, by reproduction. By reproduction, but manufactured by. But manufactured by a living being for a purpose. But manufactured by a living being for a purpose. A car is man-made object, not organic. It is not made by other of its own kind by reproduction, but manufactured by a living being for a purpose. This is the answer 6th. Now come to the 7th. Answer 7. Name a plant which is not green and an animal which does not move about freely. Name a plant which is not green and one animal which does not move about freely. Monotropa plant, that is monotropa. Mushroom, an animal, short-tailed shrew. Short-tailed shrew. Answer 8. Answer 8. Name one microscopic plant and one microscopic animal. Algae plant, algae, that is Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas and bacteria. Bacteria, protozoa. Algae, that is the Chlamydomonas. Bacteria, protozoa. Answer 9. Which part of the leaf takes part in the exchange of gases? That is the stomata. Answer 10. List the common characteristics of the living being. Living things can grow. Living things can grow. First characteristic, living things can reproduce. Living things can grow, move, breathe, take food, excrete, and reproduce. What are the characteristics of the living things? Living things can grow, move, breathe, take food, excrete, and reproduce. Now, answer 11. Answer 11. Are there any common feature between living and non-living things? List each feature. That is the structural unit. Structural unit. Structural unit is the common between living and non-living things. Now come to the name the following. First one, waste products produced in animals. First one, waste products produced in animals. Urine, carbon dioxide. Urine, carbon dioxide. And in waste products produced in plants, gum, latex. Gum, latex. Waste products produced in animals, urine, carbon dioxide, and in plants, gum and latex. This is all about the chapter 9, living organisms and their surroundings. Question answer are also completed. You have to write in your GSC copy, and after you will complete your GSC copy, I will call you, I will give the date, and I will call you, and you have to submit your copies. All the subjects copy you have to submit. So lesson 9, the living organisms and their surroundings completed. Question answer also I have given, and you have to write in your copy, and you have to complete your copy.